thing on? Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. No, tuning in, what the hell? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'll be creating Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this video. Today I'll be creating the Vogue makeup tutorial of Kylie Jenner, as well as one of her Instagram outfits that I paired the two together, and I made something new, old, I don't know, but I put them together and it created something cool. So keep watching and you'll see how I did that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as like this video. And if you have any comments, put them down below so I can know what you guys think of this look. So let's get started. So got my list here, wet list. Okay. And I'll be following the exact steps that Kylie follows in her Vogue makeup tutorial, and we'll see how that goes. So obviously I'm not using the same products as her because I don't have them and I'm on vacation right now. She started with brows, so let me do that. Okay. So then she shapes her brow. I'll just be using some normal, like, is there such thing as normal concealer? I don't even know. So then she like brings it down to her eyelid to create like a base for the eyeshadow. I remember like first year of college, I never did my eyebrows. Like I literally just took some brow gel and applied that, called it a day. I never used to pluck them. And then she takes a beauty blender and just blends the concealer. And then she sets her concealer on her eyelids with some powder. Then she used her palette from Kylie Cosmetics, but I don't have that. So I'll be using my Modern Renaissance palette. This is honestly my favorite. It has like really nice breezy summer colors, and I feel like I could wear them all year round because I never create like on my eyes. She starts with a neutral color. Okay, then she goes with more of like a highlight on her brow bone. That's what I was looking for. She goes with a darker brown. Then she goes with like a copper color on her lid. This is my favorite part of in her routine. I feel like this just made the look. She goes with like this orange color, which I also have one, and she applies it on the tear duct, so it's really nice. Okay, so she just does like that. It literally looks like I got punched in the face. So she uses the Giorgio Armani foundation. I really like this, but I think it's gonna be a bit too dark for me, but we'll see how it goes. And then I'm gonna pass over with a beauty blender. Okay, so my camera just shut off. I feel like that's a ritual and it happens every time I film a video. Okay, concealer, under the eyes, on the bridge of the nose, on top of the lip, and on her chin. I don't want to make this like a confidence video or whatnot, but I mean, I'm super like kind of person that lives in the moment, and I really always trust my gut feeling on things. And you know, it's so important to be confident of what you do, don't care about what people think. Honestly, judging is what's gonna get you out there. People judging you is what's gonna make you whatever you want to do. If you want to become a star, a doctor, whatever it is, in any field that you're in, people will always judge you. But if you keep that confidence and think like, these people are judging me either because they want what I have or they want to be where I am, just know that people judge what they can't have, or not what they can have, because they can, you know, they just have to work at it. But not everyone wants to work at it. Some people just rather sit there, judge, and they, you know, they might think like it'll just come to them, but it doesn't. And then she goes with setting powder. She applies like a powder, but all over her face. And then she goes with bronzer. So I think this is like my favorite part of the look. A 3. After, she's gonna put setting powder under. So then when this is setting, she goes with the lip liner. For me, a nice makeup look is really a nice lip. Then she takes a color, again from the palette. I'm taking like a taupe, a warm taupe color. And she goes under her eyes. This is something I always do as well. It really makes your eye look bigger. Then she goes in with blush, which is literally another of my favorite parts. I feel like blush also makes the look so much nicer. She goes with mascara. She puts brown on her under lashes, but I don't have brown, so I'm gently gonna go with the black. Then she goes in with highlight. She goes with a gloss. More blush. And then setting spray. Oh my god, I totally forgot like the most important part. Okay, I'm just setting my... So, she applied the orange color down. Okay, so I'm giving you guys like a second view of my makeup. I feel like the lighting in my room is so much better than in my washroom. Okay, So let's get this outfit on. So this is the outfit that I'll be trying on. The tag is still on it. I never wore it. It's from Fashion Nova. The tag is still on it because I'm gonna return it. Just joking. It looks really nice. I just hope it's not transparent. So let's get this on. Okay. So I don't want to show it now. I thought this was gonna be really ugly because I don't know. I just like didn't think it was gonna be nice. But this is one of the nicest outfits in my opinion I like on me. Let me show you guys what this looks like. It's so cute. I'm gonna go put on my accessories and my shoes to really try to match this outfit the most I can to hers, and I'll come back and give you guys a little show. A little show. Okay.